Daily life. Questions and answers. What's the first thing you do in the morning?
I check my phone and stretch a little.
What's something you always carry with you?
My phone and wallet.
How do you usually spend your weekends?
I like to relax, watch movies, and go out with friends.
What makes you happy?
Spending time with loved ones and good food.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I love coffee in the morning and tea in the evening.
What's one thing you never leave home without?
My house keys.
How often do you check social media?
Almost every hour.
What do you usually do before sleeping?
I read a book.
What do you usually talk about with your friends?
We talk about life, movies, and funny moments.
Do you prefer texting or calling?
Texting because I can reply anytime.
What's the last thing you do before going to bed?
I set my alarm and turn off the lights.
Do you like a clean or messy room?
I prefer a clean room, but sometimes it gets messy.
What color is your bedroom wall?
It's light blue.
Do you sleep with the lights on or off?
Off because I can't sleep with the lights on.
Do you set an alarm to wake up?
Yes, otherwise I would oversleep.
Do you like decorating your home?
Yes, I enjoy adding small decorations.
How many pillows do you sleep with?
Just one.
What's your favorite spot in your house?
The balcony.
Do you prefer cooking at home or eating out?
Cooking at home is healthier, but eating out is fun.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too spicy.
Do you drink enough water every day?
I try, but sometimes I forget.
Have you ever tried a weird food combination?
Yes, fries with ice cream.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not always.
What's your favorite homemade dish?
Spaghetti.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I love visiting new places.
Have you ever traveled alone?
No, but I'd love to try.
Do you prefer a window or aisle seat on a plane?
Window seat for the view.
What's the longest trip you've been on?
A 12-hour bus ride.
What's your main mode of transport?
Bus and walking.
What's the last thing you searched on Google?
How to make pancakes.
Do you play video games?
Yes, but not often.
Have you ever lost your phone?
Yes, but I found it later.
Do you use online banking?
Yes, it's convenient.
Do you prefer working alone or in a team?
I like working in a team.
Do you like your job?
Yes, but sometimes it's stressful.
How do you stay organized?
I use a planner and to-do lists.
Have you ever been late for work?
Yes, but only a few times.
Do you prefer online learning or classroom learning?
Online learning is more comfortable.
Have you ever fallen asleep in class?
Yes, once.
Do you work better in the morning or at night?
I'm more productive at night.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, but I try not to spend too much.
Do you save money regularly?
I try, but sometimes I spend too much.
Do you prefer cash or card payments?
Card payments are more convenient.
Have you ever returned something after buying it?
Yes, because it was the wrong size.
Do you like discounts and sales?
Of course, who doesn't?
Do you like drawing or painting?
Yes, but I'm not very good at it.